Hi from the UK. My name's John Martin. I'm a Microsoft Data Platform MVP, Chartered IT professional, the British Computing Society, and I've got over a decade of experience working with Microsoft Data Platform, both on premises and in the cloud. I even spent some time working for Microsoft here in the UK and Europe, helping solve some of their largest customers' problems. I'm excited that this August I'll be joining you for the 5th edition of Data Platform Summit in Bangalore, Asia's largest data platform conference. On Tuesday, the 20th of August, I'll be delivering a pre-con session around how to evolve your data platform for the cloud. We'll be covering a whole range of topics that are really important you understand before you take your workloads to the cloud. We'll understand how to profile them, how to identify good candidates, and also bad candidates, workloads you don't want to put in Azure. Because obviously if you put the wrong thing up there, it's not going to perform well. We'll look at the application design elements, what works, what doesn't work, and then we'll look through what the options are for Microsoft Data Platform in Azure, for Platform as a Service, for Azure SQL Database, Managed Instance, through to IaaS, Infrastructure as a Service, with Azure VMs. We'll understand how to bring them together, how to use these systems to provide a highly resilient, highly performant data platform solution. We'll start looking at, on the IaaS side of things, how do you provision high available disaster recovery scenarios. So using Azure load balancers, multiple virtual machines, always on availability groups, all of these technologies, bringing them together along with some of the key architectural components of Microsoft Azure to ensure that if there's a problem in the cloud, that your system is going to stay online. We'll also look at how to do high availability and disaster recovery with the platform as a service offerings around Managed Instance and Azure SQL Database, because even if the cloud is highly resilient by nature, it's still going to need you to do the right thing in order to make sure your platforms work well. So I hope you'll join me this August in Bangalore to learn how to evolve your data platform for the cloud. Thank you very much.